2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, speed control, radio data system, four-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension. Come take a test drive today.